Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have two products to share with you today, and one is a limited edition. Now, what does limited edition mean at the Stamps of Life? It means once it is sold out, it's gone. It goes in the archives. It is gone. You cannot get it. Do not think in a month you can come to an expo or a convention and get it from me there. Nope. Once it's gone, it's gone. Now, some of you will remember how quickly we sold out of the limited edition candy corn. Remember that one? That one went so fast within hours of putting it on the website that I think we even had to take it out of the newsletter because it sold out before we could send out the newsletter. So I'm just warning you right now, if you like this one, pause the video, go buy it, and then come back and watch the rest of the video. Just warning you, limited edition, once it's gone, it's gone. Are you ready? And it is so dang cute. It is an anchor Foldit die. Now, it's perfect to coordinate with our Dolphin Club set this month, but look at how fun it is. Now, let me show you some samples. Of course, it can be a folded like this, where you can open and close. This one's sealed together. Oops, what are we doing here? Open and close it like this if we want to, or you can have it open and close at the top. Here's one at the top. Just like that. It fits in an A2 size card, and look how cute it goes with our cute little mermaid sitting on it. Or you can put it on top of a card if you want. Now, it also has that fun stitching around it, which just adds a little extra embellishment just to make it really, really fun. Here's another one, putting it just directly onto a card. Now, I don't want you to think just boys, because look at this one. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's purple. It's purple. Oh, this is on a gatefold card. I want to point out that. Look how fun that is. Isn't that awesome? Here's one using our little seashells and mini anchor, which is so fun. Now, again, this is limited edition. Once it's gone for good. Perfect for the guy in your life, because this is more of a, you know, a guy thing. You are my anchor, which is really cute. Oh, you float my boat with adding our circle dies together that are the W circles, which is really fun, adding with the stitch marks. Now, the stitch marks, I know it's really hard to see, but the stitch marks on here just really change it up. This one says you are unsinkable. How cute is that? Here's one that says great day. And here's another one that says you are unsinkable. So that's funny. Dina, you made me two, apparently. One was for packaging. She had to remake it. Oh, no, Leslie made this one. I'm sorry. Dina had to recreate Leslie's for the packaging. So, Leslie, you got to go on the packaging. Isn't that fun? I love that. Now, I also, oh, and did I show you this one? I don't remember. Oh, this one's a sneak peek, but I'll show it to you anyway. Okay? Do not look at the back. Don't look at the back. It's a sneak peek of something else, but I'm not going to even say what it is. But that, see you soon. Isn't that cute? That one has to go in a different pile. Now, I have another die to share with you. This is not limited edition, so you can breathe a little bit. Pause the video if you want the anchor. Go buy it now. I'll wait. Wish I had a file. No, I'm kidding. Okay. Okay. The other die that I want to share with you is a background die that coordinates with our mum set. And look at this. Now, I know it doesn't look like much, so I'm going to show you the real thing. Look at how stunningly gorgeous that is. Here it is that way. Here it is the sideways. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that beautiful? First of all, I love it in the black with the colors behind it. I just think that really makes it pop. Look at how gorgeous this one is. You could emboss with it if you want to. So pretty. And look, put the pieces on the inside. I love that. Here's another one with adding some glitter pieces on the inside. I just love background dies. They just really change everything, don't they? Look at that, especially in the black. They really change. Or if you don't want it to be the whole background, just do part. Just do half and cover up the rest. I love that. Open that up. You mean the world to me. Oh, add our little hedgehog to the front and just have some of it showing. I love that. Or add our ever famous bee. This bee is probably, oh, here's another bee one. This bee is probably one of the, oh, both, so this is Catherine and Kristen use the bee, but let me tell you, the bee is probably one of our best sellers. Besides the cookie, birthday for cookie, the bee sets are most popular at the shows especially. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Now, club members, of course you get the club discount on these products. If you're not in the club, what can I say? You're missing out. Go join the club. $11.95 a month, and you get a stamp set. It's worth it. It's awesome. Our stamps are made in the USA, highest quality photopolymer, go check out the video on Join the Club. If you're watching this on YouTube, my nephew Ben told me I'm supposed to tell you to click the subscribe button so you will be notified every time we release a new video. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.